The Greater New York automobile dealers donated 50,000 masks for Bronx residents in a borough hit hard by COVID-19 that already has claimed citywide over 12,000 lives, with over 150,000 testing positive.
Here in the Bronx, as of yesterday, we have 2,600 and counting fatalities in our borough. We have tens of thousands of people who have been infected by COVID-19, AKA the coronavirus. But we're doing all that we can to ensure with my team that on a daily basis, the Bronx is not forgotten.
Mark Scheinberg, president of the Greater New York Automobile Dealers, reached out to the borough president and delivered these to his garage.
The question was, how do we get it out to the people that are most at risk on it? And the first thing that came to our minds is working with the borough president because of the relationship that he has with all the community.
With the governor's executive order in place requiring all those who are outside to wear a mask, this delivery will benefit NYCHA housing residents, seniors living in nursing homes, and other Bronx residents who are now faced with new data from the CDC showing that 90% of those who died as a result of the virus had one or more underlying diseases such as asthma, diabetes, hypertension, and high blood pressure, all illnesses that, as far as New York State are concerned, have the Bronx as the unhealthiest county.
There's 62 counties in the state of New York. You all know who've been recovering in the Bronx. We have initiatives like #Not62. Why? Because we're in last place when it comes to health indicators. That's the bad news. The good news is that every year since I've been the borough president, when you compare the Bronx to ourselves, we're getting healthier. But it means that we need resources. It means that our public hospitals don't get the equipment and how much money in capital, how many capital funds I have to allocate to our hospitals because they're not getting the necessary funding.
In thanking Scheinberg, who was joined by John LaSorsa, president of LaSorsa on Webster Avenue, Diaz Jr. acknowledged other corporate partners also doing their part.
On a daily basis, working with the Jamie and Judy Diamond Foundation, we've been able to feed tens of thousands of Bronxites through the Bronx Community Relief Fund, thanks to corporations like Fresh Direct, who every single day they're doing over 500 boxes of meals throughout different corners of the borough, feeding those who not only have anxieties about COVID-19, but have food insecurities.
From food to face masks and hand sanitizers, the Bronx needs help. That's what the borough president is saying. And he's inviting anyone that wants to donate to do so. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.